Most traders use the Supertrend and still borrow their accounts, not because the indicator is bad, but because they are using the wrong settings and zero confirmation. In this video, I'm going to show you the most profitable Supertrend settings and how to combine it with other indicators to get the most and accurate signals, and also how to filter fake signals. If you stay with me till the end, you would understand why your Supertrend entries fail and how a tiny adjustment can turn a choppy chart into clean, high probability setup. So stay with me. Immediately after our intro, we'll get straight to the main points. Welcome back. Now let's discuss what Supertrend really does. Supertrend is built on ATR, meaning it reacts to volatility. If volatility is high, it gives wide signal. If it is slow, it gives tight signal. That is why wrong settings completely destroy your accuracy. Now let's go to our indicators and add the Supertrend indicator. You just type in Supertrend. Take the normal Supertrend indicator, this first one you can see, then add it to your chart. So now, what is the best settings for a higher win rate? For scalping, you go into your settings and you come to your ATR, which is already 10, you leave it at 10, and your multiplier, which is this factor, you leave it at 2, right? So this one will give you the best accuracy for scalping on 1 minute or 5 minute time frame. 1 minute or 5 minute time frame. That's the best settings for the scalping strategy. Then if you are an intraday trader, the best setting for it is you come to these settings, the ATR length, you leave it at 10, and the multiplier, you change it 3. What we mean by the intraday trader is from the 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, or 1 hour time frame. You see, these settings work perfectly for the day trader. So for the swing trading, the best setting is for you to come to your settings here. The ATR, you change it to 20. And the multiplier, you change it, which is the factor here, you change it to 4. This suits perfectly for swing trading. This number helps to reduce the noise and catch cleaner trends. So this is the best setting for if you are a scalper or intraday trader, or you are a swing trader. These are the settings you need to use. Now, let me show you the indicators you need to add for higher accuracy. Now, let's take it to our default settings. Let's take it back to our default settings, 10 and 3. Remember, this is for intraday trading, right? So now you can trade this on the 15-minute time frame also. So what you will use to add this strategy is for you to come to your indicators. We have like almost 3 to 4 methods on how to trade this, the best indicators to use to trade this. I think in this video, in order for it not to be too long, we'll be doing examples with like 2, then I will tell you the other 2 for you to practice it yourself. I will tell you the best settings to use and how to trade it with other 2 indicators also. So now you come to indicators, you add your moving average exponential, EMA. So remember, you're supposed to add 2 moving average exponential, the 50 and 200 EMA. You're supposed to add the 2. So because, for example, if you're using the free version, you are restricted to add more than 2 indicators. So you have to add only 1 indicator. Remember, we already added the Supertrend indicator, which is 1. So we only have the ability to add only 1 indicator now. So now, since you don't have the ability, for example, let's assume you're using the free version of TradingView, all you need to do is to come to use our TradingView EMA, after trade trading view EMA, which is this after trade EMA through crossover. This particular indicator, I have dropped the link in our Telegram channel, and I have showed you how to add it. This indicator will serve as the both indicator we needed. You don't need to pay for anything here, right? It is completely free. Just go to our Telegram channel, check the pin messages. Once you check the pin messages, click on the link of this particular indicator you see there. Click on that link. It will take you to TradingView. Then you add it to favorite. Once you add it to favorite, you come to your favorite indicators on TradingView. You will see it there. Now let's add this indicator. So here is the indicator. You come to settings of the EMA. You remove the 21. For in this case, we don't need the 21 EMA for these strategies. We only need the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. So now I made this indicator in a way that you can change the setting to whatever setting you want. So in the 200 EMA, you can change it to any color of your choice. You can increase the thickness of the indicator. On the 50 EMA, you can also change it to any color of your choice, and you can increase the thickness or reduce the thickness of the indicator. So you can see on this case, the 50 EMA, I made it the blue color line. You can see it's here. And the 200 EMA, I made it the yellow line. I hope you can see it clearly. And remember, you can trade this even on 5-minute time frame. Don't forget, you can trade it on 15-minute time frame. You can trade it on. I've given you the settings to use on trading this. Now, how would you trade this strategy using this method? The easiest way to trade this strategy is very simple. You wait for your 50 EMA to cross above your 200 EMA. That's number one condition, right? The second condition is that your Supertrend indicator is green. You can see it right here. You can see the crossover happened here, which is above, right? This signals a buy entry. It is above. You wait for the candlestick to close after the cross of it, which is this candlestick. Then let me zoom out for you to see very well. So you can see the crossover happened here, and it is above the 50 EMA is above the 200 EMA. And what happened here? You can see how this market play out. You can see how it plays out. You can see how it plays out. Here, you are not entering for a sale until a crossover happens here. After the crossover happened, meaning the 50 EMA will cross over the 200 EMA, which is the yellow line. Once it crosses below it and your super trend is red, please take note of these rules. That is where you will be entering for a short position. I hope you get. So you see, here we have a crossover here. You can see we have a crossover here. It crosses below the 50 EMA, crosses below your 200 EMA. And what happened? We have a short position here. You see how it happens? You see, we have a short position here, right? So you need to manage your risks. You need to manage your risks. I have taught you how to manage your risks while trading. So you need to, if you have not watched that video, go back to my videos and check on how to set your TP and Excel while you are scalping. Okay, so now come here. You can see how nice this indicator is. You see, we have a crossover here. We have a crossover here, and we're not entering this market until we confirm that our super trend is green. This crossover already happened. Our super trend is green. So this is how the strategy works. You can see how the strategy works smoothly and clean. You need to be very patient. You don't need to jump into the trade except all these conditions meet. Now let's go to the next indicator to add. If you don't want to use the EMA, now we'll go to the next indicator to add for rates. Now let's go to our indicators and add the MACD. I always encourage you to use the After Trade Pro MACD because we have filtered the noises and everything. It's more accurate. Or if you feel like you can use the Mama MACD, but you know how to get the Pro MACD, go to our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this video. You click on the pin messages there, then you look for the MACD indicators among the list of indicators there and add it to your favorites. You click on the link to take you to TradingView, then add it to your favorites and you start using it. So now let's add our MACD indicator. So you can see the rule to trade this is that immediately you see a crossover in MACD below the line of MACD, you start looking for a buy. If the crossover happens above, then you start looking for a sell position. Now you see here we have a crossover. Here the MACD and signal line crosses over, right? And you can see our super trend is also red. So this gives us the go ahead to enter a short position. So immediately we see the crossover, wait for a candlestick to close first, which happens around this zone, right? Your stop loss should be above the recent high, the most recent high. Then you can see how this market plays out. Your exit point would be immediately you start seeing sign of another crossover below, meaning the buyers are now in gets. So the sellers are exhausted at this moment, so you need to start looking for a buy at this moment. Here is a crossover that happens here. You can see it, and this is a live market. So now you enter a long position, right? After your criteria have met, here you can't enter a long position because you need to wait for your spot trend to be green, which you can see here. Our spot trend is green and we still have another crossover around the zone. We still have another crossover here around the zone. So now it gives us the criteria to enter a long position. And your stop loss will be in the most recent swing below. You can see how this market plays out. See how the market plays out? Now we have another crossover here. Are we entering this market now? No. Why are we not entering this market now? You see we have a crossover here. You need to follow the rule. Follow the rule, and once you follow this rule, you will not lose money. You lose minimal money and make maximum profit. We are not entering this trade here. Why? Because our spot trend is still green. You can see the spot trend is still green. So we are not entering this trade. Except when our spot trend is, you can see our spot trend here is red and our MACD is also red. So this gives us the criteria to enter this short position. You see? You see how the markets, our stop loss will be here and our tipping. You can see how the market plays out. Wow. You can see? Now we have another crossover here again. You can see it here. We have another crossover here. Right? But we're not entering this market. Why? Because our super trend is still red. We need to wait for our spot trend to be green. Right? Our spot trend is green. Our MACD now is green also. So now we can enter a long position here. Our stop loss must be below this swing view. It must be, you have to abide by this rule. Put your stop loss and let's see how the market plays out. You can see how this market plays out. Our stop loss is here and you can see how neatly this market plays out. You can see So meaning we'll be exiting around here because we see a crossover here, right? We see a crossover around this zone. We see a crossover around this zone. So we'll be exiting the markets just right here. But we're not entering for a short while because our super trend is still green. So we are not advised to enter any short position. It needs to meet our criteria for us to enter any short position. I hope you get this strategy. So you choose the one that is best for you. We also have the RSI. Let me add RSI for you to see. You delete this one, so we can use the RSI strategy. I won't go deep into that, but I'll just show you how to do it. Add your RSI, which is your relative strength index. Let's add the RSI. You come to the settings of your RSI. This try, you can remove this RSI base EMA. You can change this to any color of your choice. You can increase the thickness of the line. You see? And your 50 EMA, because the rule on this, we're using the 50 line, middle line. So you need to make it more visible. You click on, you make it thicker and you change the color to something that will be very visible. Let's put, let's say white color, for example, and increase the thickness. You can change it to also line if you don't want it to be a dotted line. So let's see. Like this, you can see how the line, this is the 50 line. Now, what is the rule behind this? If your 50 EMA crosses above here, you see, above this, if this your RSI crosses above the 50 line, this 50 base line, then your super trend is also green. It means you should be taking a long position. If it crosses below, you can see how it works. You can see, meaning you'll be taking your long position from around this zone, because this is where the cross happen. Your stop loss would be just here, and you can see how this market plays out. You can see. The thing is that some people are not patient. That's just the fact. You see? So now you see here, in trading, you need patience. You need patience. It crosses below. Your stop loss should be here. And you can see how this market plays out also. You see? So, this is just how this strategy works. It's very super easy. You can also combine the three indicators. You can combine the four indicators, the super trend, the MACD, the RSI, and the 250 EMA. If you are using the paid version, you can combine all these indicators together, and all the criteria must meet before you enter a trade. All the same criteria I just listed on this video should meet, then you take a long or a short position. I hope you get this. Now here is a risk management reminder. Remember, even the best strategy fails without good risk management. Never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade, and always follow your rules. Please, you need to follow these rules for you to see the importance and benefit of this indicator. You must abide by the rules. So if you find this video valuable, let me know in the comment section which other video you want us to do on any indicator. Do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe, and share this video so that others will benefit. See you in our next video. Bye bye.